Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Gear 360 and opening the app on your iPhone. This creates the secure pairing environment. Once the camera is on, press its Wi-Fi button to broadcast a network. The app will detect it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone so the app can negotiate settings automatically. This reduces manual entry and avoids network mismatches. If the camera prompts for a PIN, the app will show it. Enter that PIN when asked. Then move to the next step. Once done with initial detection, switch to your iPhone Wi-Fi settings if the app did not auto-connect. Pick the Gear 360 SSID and enter the PIN displayed on the camera or inside the app. After the phone joins that hotspot, return to the app to finalize pairing and let the devices exchange configuration data. This is why you enable Bluetooth earlier. Now set capture preferences like resolution and auto-stitching. These settings determine file size and processing time, so choose according to your storage and editing work. Finally, use the app to preview and transfer your 360 photos or videos. Make sure files appear in the iPhone Photos app so other apps can access them. When transfers finish, disconnect the Gear 360 Wi-Fi and switch your phone back to its regular network to conserve battery. If something goes wrong, reboot the Gear 360 and your iPhone, reset the camera's Wi-Fi settings, and repeat the pairing process. This clears temporary network conflicts and usually resolves stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.